Good morning, my people. It's a Motor Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much, guys, for clicking. And thank you for always coming here to watch my videos, guys. It's Saturday morning again. The video actually starts here today in my backyard because I wanted to give you a little bit update of my backyard. The sun is shining from here, yay! So it's morning. It's 8:30 in the morning. I just woke up this morning because we are going somewhere this morning, and it's gonna be hot. But I wanted to start the video here so that I can show you more roads on the way here in Texas, guys. For those ones who don't know, this is original girl from East Africa, Kenya, a village girl, now lives here in Texas, USA. So we're gonna start the video right here. But as I'm going, where I'm going on the way, I'll be showing you more roads. But I wanted to give you an update of my little kitchen garden behind me. And of course, I'm going to give you a little bit update about my pears. But let's start with my kitchen garden. Let me turn the camera. Look at my kales. Holy macaroni. Look at that. Look at those kales, guys. How amazing they look. Even the spring onions, guys. Look at that. Looking really, I'm so proud of myself. Oh my goodness, who knew? Look at that. The mint is here as well. So we're using lots of this mint actually to drink coffee. I'm a lover of coffee, even tea. So all the time I find myself, like this morning, I had to come here, get some mint to put in my tea. So of course, these kales today, I have guests later in the evening. So we are going to use these kales. I'm telling you guys, look at my plum. The plum is doing so well. We had to cut grass and we put here so it can make manure. Look at that. So the plum is really doing so well, guys. This plum tree, let's just give it some time. I have only one night black shade here, but it's doing so well. Oh my god, oh my goodness, guys, look, we have a pumpkin. It's coming up. It's doing really well. The good thing, we are not many here. So, and also we have another type of kales here that is doing so well, guys. We have bitter leaves coming up. Look at those bitter leaves over here. There are so many right here. Also more kales in between bitter leaves, guys. We have plenty organic in my little kitchen garden here in Texas. Oh my goodness, Texas soil actually is really good. If this can grow here, look at my bitter leaves. So I'm going to harvest these bitter leaves today. Later, as I told you, look here, doing so well, guys. This is okra. Okra is doing well. I have more okra on the other side. Sorry, guys, my camera. I have okra, more okra. It's coming up. Look, this is how we grow okra here. Last year, actually, okra did so well here. And I remember I was doing videos, I was making content for you, how to drink okra water, how okra water can make your skin actually look really nice. And I can't wait this year also to show you content about this okra when it grows. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna give you a little bit tour of my little kitchen here in Texas, USA. Guys, do you see that kale? Oh my goodness, I'm even so scared that it's so big. Like, I didn't know actually this kale was going to do so well like this. Guys, I'm telling you, this is on these kales. Do you see what your village girl here can do in Texas? Yes. So well, guys, I'm going to project my camera on the other side so I can show you my pears. Yeah, those are my pears. Let's see after a week how these pears have been able to do. Look at that. Each week I'll be updating you about these pears. Oh my goodness, look, guys, these are my neighbor's pears. These are the pears, but a different type of pears. When they grow, I'll show you how they look like. But look at these pears, guys. Here we have a shade. I don't know if you can see well, but I'm trying my best so that you can see the size of these pears. We are going to keep track of these pears so that we can see like how, you know, this is the beginning of May. So towards the end of May or the beginning of June, we should see lots of pears. Look at this other tree here. Lots of pears. Guys, the sky is clear today. No wonder it's hot. Oh my goodness, look at that. So many pears coming up, and this tree actually is getting huge. Oh moly macaroni. Do, 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 do. I love it. And actually, I'm guys, I don't know how many times I'm gonna be telling you this story. We have an airplane, guys. We have airplane over there because DFW is on this side. If you come to the US in Texas, of course, those are the planes that will land you here. So we live near airport, and the airplanes just fly over here. So here right in my backyard, but on the other side. But I can hear them and I can see them. So yeah, the pears are doing so well, and my swing set DIY is doing well as well. So I love sitting here. Let me show you. I love sitting. I don't know if it's my camera. So you come here. This is how you get out. These are the storage right here. When you're moving, you don't have a space. You don't have to worry here in America. They have spaces here. All those little things. They are so huge. That's where you put your things. You can store there for years. You can store for months or weeks, whatever. So you don't have all your traveling international. You're locking your apartment or your house. You can come over here and store your things. There's so many all over. This is just one part that I'm showing you. More storage over there, all over the round they have. So it's a U-Haul company. Guys, this is how the U-Haul looks like inside. It's like a house. Oh, I need to go motor lifestyle. Oh, why am I taking my shoes off? Let's get in and see the U-Haul. Oh my goodness, guys, look. I'm inside the U-Haul. It's hot. The space is big. Huh? Let me turn my camera. Woo, what a lifestyle! Yay! Inside the U-Haul. Woohoo! Whoa! Wow, what a lifestyle! Look at this. It's so big. See?